2022 Volkswagen Atlas. With less than 54,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Get a fast and easy price quote today